Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are a new TikTok beginner, you are at the right place, at the right channel, with the right person. So today I'm just going to show you on how you can upload videos on TikTok. First of all, you go to your TikTok app. You can go to the plus sign in the middle. Go to the plus sign in the middle and start shooting a video. So the video can be a 15 or can be a 60-second. Okay, so we're gonna do a 15-second video. You can just start shooting on whatever, however you wanna shoot the video. Just shoot. Let's do the video posting. Post. Okay. You can just start shooting on whatever, however. And then if you want to add text, you can press on there. Just press typewriter. Or you can press handwriting. Any way you wanna choose. Let's go with typewriter. Just start shooting on whatever, however you wanna shoot the video. Bye. Just shoot. Let's do the video posting. Upload. You can just start shooting on whatever, however you wanna shoot the video. Just shoot. You can just let's do the video posting. Post. You can just start shooting on whatever, however you wanna shoot the video. If you want to use shoot. If you want to adjust the volume, video posting. Post. You can also do that here. You can just start shooting on what the video posting. Sound. Post. You can adjust to wherever you can just start shooting on whatever, however you wanna shoot the video. Just shoot. When you're done, press yes. You can just start shooting. And then also if you go there, however you wanna shoot the video. If you want a voiceover, you can also do that. You can record a voice. Hi. We are back live again. I hope this is interesting. It's so fun and exciting. Okay. You can save the voice. Hi. Start shooting. We are back live again. Shoot the video. I hope this is interesting. It's so fun. The voice. Hi. Start shooting. We are back live again. Shoot the video. I hope this is interesting. It's so fun and exciting. The voice. Hi. Start shooting. We are back live again. Anyway, I hope this is interesting. It's so fun and exciting. I'm just gonna go with the normal. The voice. Hi. I hope this is interesting. So when you're done, it's so fun and exciting. Then you can just press next. Make sure when you're posting your video, it's always on public. Because if it's on private, it's not viewable to audiences, fans, to people. So you would like definitely to put it on public, and then you post the video. I'm gonna post this one. If you look the voice. Hi. Start shooting. We are back live again. Hi. On me. and go to my videos. As you can see, this is the second one there. So that's how you post the video on TikTok. Oh, I'm gonna give you a second way. Go to your camera and start recording your video. We are busy with the shooting, we are busy shooting, we are busy shooting. Okay, when your video is done, go to your videos, take the video that you have recorded, we are busy shooting, we are busy shooting. And share the video straight away to TikTok and share with TikTok and start recording your video. Okay, so on here it gives you an option to trim the video. Shooting, you can trim it to where you want it. Start recording your video. Start and end. We are busy. Just like that. Busy with the shooting. We are busy shooting. Start recording your video. Busy with the shooting. If you click here, you can rotate the screen. We are busy shooting the way you want it. Start recording your video. Okay. We are busy with the shooting. If you're satisfied, you then press next. Recording your video. We are busy with the shooting. We are busy shooting. Start recording your video. We are busy with the shooting. We are busy shooting. With the shooting. We are busy shooting. Start recording your video. We are busy with the shooting. Recording your video. Satisfied? And then click next. Make sure when you are posting a video, it's on public and not on private. And then you go next. Start shooting. We are back live again. Shoot the video. I hope this is interesting. So there's my video loading there. You find it here. So now we are going to the third and last step of how to upload a video on TikTok. Go to iMovie and create a new project. New movie. I'm gonna just check the one that we just did now via the straight camera, normal camera. Then I'm just gonna post it to iMovie. I'm gonna play it and start recording your video. We are busy with the shooting. We are busy. I can split the movie to adjust, or I can delete. I can add anything that I want to add on the movie. Okay, I can do a lot of stuff. I can do a text as well. Doing standard text. Board at home and learn. And if you're done, you can go straight away to share and save this file on the phone. Good. And there's our video, and you can share the video via TikTok. Share. And you can press next. And always remember that at all times your video is on public, so that you can allow everyone to watch it, and then also allow to it so that anyone can access this video to make a double screen and you post. So that's how you post videos on TikTok, guys. I hope you find your journey interesting as a beginner, and we are looking forward to be working with you until you're an expert. So don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you. I'm out.